My name is James and this is Jermaine. We're the proud founders of Settlement Foundation.
We started stuff with one clear mission: to equip young people from low income backgrounds with the financial skills they need to thrive in adulthood. We grew up in communities where money was rarely talked about, and when it was usually because there wasn't enough of it.
We left school knowing how to write essays, sit exams, but not how to manage money. And this is where our USP comes in. We're not walking into classrooms in a suit and a pair of fresh trainers, throwing around complex financial terms and hoping to connect.
We're not bankers, we're brothers from the community. We speak their English because we've lived their experience. Our sessions are real, relatable and relevant. Exactly what young people need.
Nobody taught us how credit worked, what interest really meant, or how to save or budget. We saw so many of our other peers and friends from the community go through the same thing. So we started speaking to young people, community associations, and youth workers.
At first, we had the passion, but not the infrastructure, funding, or networks. We were just two people with lived experience and a dream to change things.
Then we found Nelly from Club Workers on LinkedIn, and that was a real turning point. She gave us an opportunity to prove ourselves. Alongside Jenny, they took a lead. And from there, with that support, we delivered our first workshop.
Today, Stuff has delivered workshops to over 500 young people across London. We've built partnerships with Google, Mayor's Fund for London, and we've just recently been announced as a community partner for financial education for Investec.
None of this would have been possible without the Cloth Workers Foundation and everybody else who's backed us so far. Your support has helped us turn lived experience into lasting change. On behalf of every young